Still using an old VGA monitor, but your laptop only has DisplayPort? Or struggling to connect a PC to a projector for work, class, or presentations? Don't worry, you don't need a new screen. You just need the right VGA or DisplayPort to VGA cable. In this video, I'll show you the best VGA and DisplayPort to VGA cables that deliver stable signal, clear display, and zero flickering, perfect for monitors, projectors, and legacy displays. I've picked options that are reliable, affordable, and easy to use. No drivers, no hassle. Check the product links in the description to see today's best prices and compatibility details. Let's get started and find the perfect cable for your setup. Number 5. 4-pack gold, plated DisplayPort to VGA adapter. Dark classroom, presentation frozen, anxious glances across packed faces. You're seconds from starting, but cables refuse to cooperate. That moment when old projectors meet modern laptops, panic. Meet Anki DisplayPort to VGA adapter. Small, dependable, reassuring. Gold-plated plug ensures stable signal, no last-minute glitches. Compact design, plug-and-play conversion, digital to analog instantly, reliably. Supports crisp 1080p and 1920x1200 for clear presentations. Directional DP VGA only. Designed for connecting modern PCs to legacy displays. 4-adapter pack means spares for rooms, teams, and emergencies. Screw-secured VGA socket and sturdy housing for worry-free use. IT pros and presenters, your silent, reliable backstage partner. Plug one in, watch faces relax as slides appear. No fumbling, no delays, just seamless connection, shared moments. From classrooms to boardrooms, keep every story on screen. Bring back confident presentations. Check the product link in the description to see current pricing, specs, and availability. Product 4, 12, Pack 3 FET DisplayPort to VGA cable adapter. Remember the classroom where old projector finally came alive? IT team rushed in, cables tangled, presentations hanging by thread. We needed simple, reliable connections that didn't fail mid-demo. That's when I found Seishuri 12-pack DisplayPort to VGA. Gold-plated contacts and braided shielding protects signal and clarity. Built-in conversion chip delivers fast, flicker-free HD every time. Supports full HD up to 1920x1200, smooth presentations and videos. Remember, connects DisplayPort output to VGA display, not reversible. Latch connector secures the cable. No accidental slips during talks. Perfect for classrooms, conference rooms, AV installs, and office setups. 12 cables in one pack keep every room worry-free. It restored calm. Projectors lit, faces relaxed, work continued smoothly. Trusted by IT pros and educators for dependable legacy support. Small cable, big peace of mind for every event. Choose Seishuri Chapter 12-pack today. Connect confidently, teach clearly, present beautifully. Check the product link in the description to see current pricing, specs, and availability. Product 3. BNFi Gold, plated DP to VGA cable 10 feet. Remember your first presentation, heart pounding, screen still blank, late night studying, struggling with tangled cords and adapters? You needed a simple, dependable connection you could trust. Meet BNFi DisplayPort to VGA cable, quiet, dependable, always there. 10 feet gives you freedom to arrange your workspace. Plug and play simplicity. No drivers, no fuss, instant 1080p at 60 Hz mirroring. Gold-plated connectors resist corrosion. Keep your signal steady. Connects modern DisplayPort laptops to legacy VGA monitors effortlessly. Unidirectional design means it always sends from PC to monitor. Perfect for office presentations, late-night studying, and client demos. Students, teachers, IT pros, your reliable bridge to displays. Slim black cord blends into desks, tidy and discreet. No more awkward cables, just smooth presentations and peace. Bring old monitors back to life with one cable. Check the product link in the description to see full details, latest pricing, and grab yours today. Product 2. Cable Creation 6FT DisplayPort to VGA cable. Ever fumbled with adapters before an important presentation? My laptop failed to connect to the projector. Panic. Cables were bulky, unreliable, and delivered poor image quality. Enter Cable Creation DisplayPort to VGA 6-foot cable. Simple solution. Gold-plated connectors ensure stable, corrosion-resistant signal transmission every time. Active DP to VGA conversion delivers crisp 1080p at 60 Hz. Braided jacket and EMI shielding keep video signal clean. I plugged it into my laptop's DisplayPort, secure latch clicked, then connected VGA projectors for instant recognition, no driver fuss. Image instantly sharpened. Colors looked natural and text readable. 6-foot length gave me flexibility across conference room setups. Ferrite noise suppression and reinforced strain relief improved stability. Perfect for office professionals, educators, presenters needing dependable connections. Lightweight, plug-and-play, professional results. My go-to adapter. Grab the Cable Creation DP to VGA cable and skip connection headaches. Check the product link in the description to see full specs, latest price, and availability before it's gone. Product 1. DisplayPort to VGA cable. 6FT 1080p adapter. Turn ancient projectors into modern displays with one cable. 6-foot DisplayPort to VGA cable delivers instant full HD clarity. Built-in conversion chip stabilizes signal, eliminates flicker and lag. Secure DP latch locks firmly. Prevents accidental unplugging mid-presentation. Switch effortlessly between extended and mirror modes for productivity. Supports smooth 1920x 1080 at 60 Hz. Crisp, reliable video. No drivers required. Plug and play for instant setup. Unidirectional DP source to VGA display only, but video only. Not compatible with HDMI, USB, Apple displays, some all-in-ones. Gold-plated contacts and molded strain relief ensure long-term reliability. Perfect for offices, classrooms, AV installers, and IT technicians. Use it to resurrect legacy projectors in conference rooms instantly. 6 feet gives flexible reach without cable clutter or strain. Stable, secure connection for presentations, demos, and training sessions. Check the product link in the description to see full details, current pricing, and grab yours today before stock runs out. If this helped you, hit like, drop a comment if you have a question, and subscribe for more quick tech tips and product reviews.